endless, maybe you said he has some events
Dad.
on Monday.
Smile, you're gonna be on YouTube. My lazy dad.
I'm gonna beat your butt.
Speak louder if everybody can hear that, Trevor.
My lazy dad.
You cooked your turkey dinner.
Zoom in. Zoom in.
Get your thing out of my face.
I thought you might have that reaction.
This girl was
And
beautiful
look
when she
at
was 16 years old. I mean,
that
she was beautiful.
is his recliner. And over here is where it pops up. Hey, I'm just trying to get this 1 minute. This is brand new and it's really cool.
Yeah, we all did. We thought he was very, very pretty. But oh my gosh.
And there's me.
Oh my. I'm
But as I was saying,
I mean, I think she's cute.
that glass over there. Here, let me get a very good zoom in.
Let's get down here. It's all
Right there. Two hokey bars.
for daughter to get her good looks. Oh my
And
gosh.